Stop blaming the algorithm or the market makers. The reason you aren't consistent yet comes down to one simple reason. You don't know what kind of trader you are. In this video, I'm going to walk through the 4 types of trader from beginner to consistent winning trader to see where you fit, but more importantly, to show you what to do to get to the next level. You ready? The first trader type is the unstructured trader. They trade based on gut, no routine, no checklist. It's like flying blind into a storm. Here's the pattern: one lucky trade leads to overconfidence, then boom, a massive loss wipes out the gains and more. Sound familiar? Don't worry, there's a path forward. Type 2 is the inconsistent trader. They do have a plan, but they don't follow it all the time. It's a roller coaster. 1 week of discipline, 1 week of winging it. They overthink, second guess, or they revenge trade. Confidence fades, but just like a plane, consistency comes from system, not mood swings. The developing trader is close. They've built some habits, taken courses, maybe even journal their trades, but their discipline starts to slip when pressure hits. Momentum fades. They think, I know better, but don't do better. This is the critical phase. Get past this and you'll level up. The final type is the consistent trader. This is where real progress lives. They don't chase, they execute like a pilot on a flight plan. They still have losses, but not breakdowns. This is the type of trader we build through structure, habit, and process. So, this is where it gets real. Take my 10-minute Discover Your Trader Type quiz. Get a custom 5-step plan of action to become a more consistent and disciplined trader after you're complete. Because without the right plan, your habits will keep sabotaging your trades. You can find it over at autopilottraders.com/quiz or in the link below. Hey, join the movement. Don't let habits hold you back. Take this free quiz. Your future trades will thank you.